Okay guys, so back again here. Tutorial how to make coffee using the coffee machine Iperespresso. This is Francis for Ely. So this is the things to make the coffee tablet, and then this is the on button, then this is the tank to put water. I already put some water, just add some more I think. So just okay, that's enough. And then I never used this one before guys, so this is my first time. So just on the coffee machine, look, okay, it's blue now. So this is if you want the single cup, and this is double cup I think. Okay, then put the cup here. Yeah, put the cup here, and then this is the Ely coffee guys. Okay, Ely coffee. Let me open it first guys. I want to open it now. Oh, it's kind of hard. Ah, finally I can open it. And then press. This is what Iperespresso. Iperespresso. Um, where should we put? I don't know. This is on top or this is on top. I think. Can you read this? Read this. Okay, guys. Back again. We put this. Actually, guys, I want to inform you that it's easily removed, guys. If you want to clean up just like that, okay. All right, so let's put this like this, because if we put like this, it's not working guys. Yeah, so it's be like this. All right, then don't forget to put the cup. Oh, I forgot to on it, I mean, before I off it guys. Okay, it's done. Then press it. Drop again. Okay, we continue guys. And then how? Okay, it's already locked guys. You only need to press this, and I think I will don't want to bitter. Okay, press it. Messy guys. Whoa, the coffee drop. Hyper espresso Francis for Ely. Wow guys. Yep. See guys, maybe because the cup is, the glass is big, that's why it looks just not full. Guys, that's the coffee. Let me smell it guys. So good. Okay guys, so that's it, the tutorial how to use the Francis for Ely Iperespresso. See you in the next tutorial guys. Bye guys.